hello everyone. And you say, hello Miss Christina. Yeah, well done. Are you ready to play a new game? If you said yes, then let's do it together. Miss Christina is going to show you how to play this new game. So first, let's see what things do we need to make this new game. These are the things we need to prepare. Who can tell me what are these? I can hear it, yeah. These are crayons. You can use pencil, you can use crayons, you can use pen, anything you like. Next we have scissors. Scissors. You can ask your mommy and daddy to help you to use scissors. Next we need a box. Miss Christina has a shoe box. And very important, we need some objects that look like a circle. Yes, so Miss Christina has some fruits that look like circle. What fruits do you think I have? Does pineapple look like a circle? No. Does banana look like a circle? No. Have a look. I have this. This is tangerine. It does look like a circle, so I can use it for my game. Also, I have ta-da! Kiwi. Yes, kiwi also looks like a circle, so I can also use this for my game. Or if you do not have any fruits that look like circle, you can use some balls or anything you can find in your house that looks like a circle. We are ready to begin. For the first step, we need our box. Take the lid off and prepare to draw. Prepare your crayons and choose your favorite color. I am going to draw a girl, but you can draw a boy, an animal, or just a circle. Now I'm drawing some hair. Hair. Eyes, 2 eyes. Big mouth. Eyes, eyelashes. Make sure to draw a big mouth so the ball can fit in. Next, ask your mommy or daddy to use scissors and cut the mouth out. My scissors were not very sharp, so I took a knife instead and used a knife. Please be very careful when using a knife. Now we are ready to play. Take your box and your lid with a girl, a ball or your fruit, and try to roll the ball into girl's mouth without touching. Well done! Please don't forget to let me know if you like this new game. Send me your photos and videos. I see you soon. Bye bye.